Yo, what's up you guys? It's your boy Zay, and we are back with yet another unboxing. But look, before we do this, man, we just hit 810 subs on the channel, man. I couldn't have done this without you guys' help. So before we do this, any new person that's coming to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1K subs, man. And what else? Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll be seeing YouTubers struggle with opening boxes. This is all you gotta do, man. Push the thing in, pull the tape, just like that, man. Y'all be struggling just opening boxes using knives and stuff, man. But as you can see, bam, 350. Your boy was able to hit on a pair of Zyons, which was supposed to release, I want to say like either in May or June. So before we do all that, man, we're gonna get into the box label. Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 9. The style code on these is FZ1267. And then the colors on these bad boys is Zyon, Zyon, Zyon. It does say originals. And then you do have your UPC PO number, which is right here under the barcode. So take around. It does say Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas. Nothing on the bottom. Standard 350 on the top. Pulling these things out, you do got that paper that it usually come with. Okay. These are not that bad. So I'm gonna pour the other one out. Give y'all a little quick B-roll real quick, and then we're just gonna get back into the review. So this also comes in it too. Don't know what this is, but your boy was able to secure this pair from Dick's Sporting Goods off online. I almost was able to pick up another pair from Finish Line, a size 6 or a size 7. So I got through the waiting room or the queue, and then once I had it in my cart, they put me back on a black screen, bro, which is crazy. So your boy was only able to secure one pair this round, manual game. So a lot of people saying these look like the Static 2.0s or the, what was the other one? I don't know. I'll remember later on in the video. But this tag should always match that box right there, the box label. Just so you guys can know. But on to the B-roll. So we are back in front of the camera with the Yeezy Boost Zyon. So look, as you can see already off the top, it does not have the heel tab like on some of your latest 350s that we have received. Then on the back, we have that milky outsole. And then you do have that white boost right there. And it does say boost right there on the back. And then come along to the front, it does say Adidas. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, it does say that. And then you do have this little brown stripe, which is darker than the rest of the shoe. Then coming around, you do see it fade a little. Then you see it a little inseam. Then it's still faded, and then it stops right there. And we have these little shoelaces right there, which is tan. And it's really not too much to say about these, but these are not that bad in person, man. Like, I'm glad I was able to cop a pair for retail, because I was going to do an early review on these, but I honestly did not want to spend like $340 on these. No. But on the insole, it do say Adidas. Then you got the branding right there, and it say Yeezy. It is a white insole. I'm gonna try to take these out for y'all. I do have the shoe paper. Then the insole, bam. On the back says Adidas. Then it's got this little code that says YH-0010, 8.5 through 9.5. And then on the inside, that's what that looks like on the inside. The size tag reads, I can't read that, but if you want to pause the video and read that, you can. It's pretty much it on these Yeezys. I heard the stock was around 400K.